What in the world is happening? It looks like there's little candy treats everywhere. And Buddy, he's been cut open by Biggie. Oh no, look. He used the knife that his daddy gave him. Biggie, you're not supposed to use this for that. Buddy is not a toy. You do not do that. Well, it looks like I need to perform emergency surgery on Buddy the Elf, and then we're gonna sprinkle cinnamon on him to send him back to the North Pole. Oh, Biggie, I can't believe this. Okay, don't worry, Buddy, it's gonna be okay. Good thing he still has a smile on his face. Okay, well, I have this. We're going to do it. Okay, it's gonna be okay, Buddy. No need to worry. I know your candy's spilling out, but that's no need to worry because you're gonna be going back to the North Pole. And the elves at Santa's workshop are going to help fix you, okay? I'm gonna do the best that I can for now. Comment down below if you've ever seen candy coming out of your elf. This is a first for me. Normally there's glitter. I wonder if maybe he just ate so much candy that this is why it looks like this. You know what I mean? Oh boy. Don't worry, Buddy. Everything is going to be all right. Oh, shh, it's okay. Can't believe it. Oh, Biggie's such a bad elf sometimes. Okay, well, let's see. Is he smiling? Okay, he's still smiling. Buddy, don't worry. There's no need to worry. We're going to get you all sewn up, and you're going to feel so much better, okay? Whew, I know that might hurt. No need to worry. We'll send you to Santa's workshop, and you'll be good as new. Well, except his little... Did you ever notice he has this? That was from the fireworks from the 4th of July. And then I don't know if you've noticed his collar's cut right there. You know how that happened? Buddy was making crafts. Silly Buddy. And the other thing, I don't know how this happened, but in the back right here, his tag's been cut off. I mean, that's not a problem, but oh boy, I was just thinking about that recently. It's just because Buddy's just lived his life, a fun elf life. Okay, Buddy, let's stitch you up. Boop. Okay, there we go. I wonder if whenever he comes back from the North Pole, if he's gonna have a scar or not. Okay, so this was the best I could do. And then I decided to add some cinnamon for extra measures. Okay. Hopefully he comes back good as new. Well, it worked. The cinnamon really worked. It restored Buddy's magic. Whew! Doing that surgery was crazy. I can't believe there was so much candy inside of him. Comment down below if maybe he just ate so much candy and that's why there was so much candy yum-yums inside of his belly. Well, if you like this crazy video, down below, you're welcome to like it, subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.